As you heard me in my speech, I did mention that we used to have a training center to be so that the less underprivileged in society will be helped to have some vocation. For some time now, we haven't had that done because of the problems that we have on the land. I intend to have an event center on the land so that the proceeds that we get will be used to feed the training center to train the underprivileged and those who are dropouts in society. Encourage them to join. It's an international organization. For example, in Nigeria, they don't have any other guild apart from the Mothers Union. And Mary Samna, our founder, helped the family, the less privileged, helped women to get education and help them in their day-to-day activities. So I think once they join, they can also help each and everyone in the church or in the society.
Mother Wilhelmina Akweley Graves, I install you as President of the Mothers Union in the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit.